Pinoy ka.
Oo.
Oh, diba? Ay! Diba?
What's your full name?
Full name, Teddy Katikbak.
Man, I mean,
He's the guy who wears
it's amazing what you guys are doing. Amazing.
proud shiny.
That's what reaching thousands and thousands of people.
Do you sing as well? I mean,
I
yeah.
do. I mean, can you?
You're a singer?
Yeah. Can you rate my singing by any chance?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
I've been practicing. I'm not.
Yeah, go.
I'm not as perfect.
Go, bro.
Okay, here we go. Kung sakali man ikaw ay meron ng iba, minamahal, minamahal. At kung sakali man magdusa,
Yeah.
ito'y aking magtitig. Maghirap naman o mainipis, baka sagaling mahal mo pa ako. Kung sakaling man ikaw ay...
This is our director.
Video director. Video director.
Yeah, we got a lot of directors.
Nice to
here.
meet you. Yes, sir.
I
We have
resigned.
a lot of creative directors here.
I actually resigned from my job as a managing director
Of what?
in a financial institution.
Sobrang big boss sa ano yan.
And
Sa UAE.
napaka-hate ko talaga yung job.
But,
Pero Pinoy ka.
Oo.
Oh, diba? Sing! Diba?
Nakakasabi ko. Hindi, si nanay ko taga-Pakistan.
Wow!
Si tatay ko taga-UAE.
Ah!
So,
Pinoy pa rin.
yan ang ibig sabihin sa Emaratino, no? So, kalating Emarati from the Emirates. And Filipino, Emaratino.
Wow! Grabe ang astig!
unang taga-bili natin ng, unang bumili ng painting. Oo, sinuportahan. Tapos ang binili niya yung kay Jake. Yung Run and Worship, ang galing. That's why, when I asked him, ano, oo naman kuya!
Sabi mo kahit ano, tapos sabi ko sa'yo.
1.5 lang!